Alright, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. Been quite a little bit since I've been out on the bike. Had a little hiatus from YouTube. Everybody saw the last video when I finally got the bike picked back up after getting the starter clutch replaced over at the MV dealer. And I talked about going out and riding that weekend, but the way things shook out, that just didn't happen. This will be my first video back after taking a little break. So welcome back to the channel. Obviously with time of the year that it is, which is like early in the year, the weather's not great for riding, but had a decent day today and had a quick errand to run. We're headed over to the Lexus dealership. My girlfriend, you know, congratulations to her. She actually just got a brand new Lexus IS 350 F-Sport, so she's super excited about that. We got that all completed this morning, and there was a couple documents and stuff like that that we forgot to bring to the dealership that I'm going to take over there and hand deliver to them today so we can finish everything up. So you guys are going to get to come along for the ride over to the Lexus dealer, and if the weather holds out, you know, in the coming weeks and things like that, I hope to film a few more videos and get some more content up on the channel. I know there's been some people that have reached out to me through comments on the YouTube channel, as well as direct messages and emails, saying that they're missing the content. It's probably been, what, a month and a half, 2 months since I uploaded something, so I know I'm starving you guys out for content, and that's not fair of me. So I'll see what I can do to get some videos uploaded for you guys, get some riding footage. Probably not everything that I do will be moto vlogging, just like what you guys have seen thus far on the channel. You know, some of the videos are just pure sound type videos where you get to hear the beautiful exhaust system that I put on this bike, and some of them are moto vlogs where you get to watch me and the group of guys that I ride with out having fun. Continue to tune in for the content though. I appreciate all the support. We were really cooking there. Subscriber base was growing quite a bit the last you know, 6 weeks, 8 weeks when I still was consistently uploading, so I want to get back on track with that. And definitely when the riding season kicks back off, if for some reason I'm not able to upload as much as I want to over the next few months, we'll be back on it. And I will say that since the last video that I filmed, on the few rides that I have gone on, the bike's been running awesome. Super stoked about that, because as you guys know, I was having a couple weird issues and stuff like that with it. So the starter clutch seemed to have resolved those issues, and as I told you before, the dealership went ahead and bled the rear brake for me, so that's feeling good. I am coming up on the first full maintenance interval after the, you know, we've already done the break-in period one, but this will be the first official oil change and stuff like that, so I'll have to get that taken care of sometime here relatively quickly, especially if I'm going to be putting miles on the bike again. I'll probably shoot a video for that. We'll get it over to probably David over at North Texas Superbikes. Will do the service for me. I've always been satisfied with the work that he's done. Super nice dude. He always kind of cuts out time to do the bike the day of, so I can just kind of go there, hang out and BS with him at his shop and check out what projects he's got going on, and you know, get whatever address that I need with the bike. And then of course after that we'll be looking to add new parts and continue to build along, because there's other things that I would like to get done to the bike still. I just kind of quickly threw on this thermal and this hoodie here to come out and ride today, and it's a little chillier than I thought it was going to be. It's about 60 degrees. What does the bike say? 62, 60 degrees or so standing temperature. So if you guys ride, you know you can probably cut about 20 degrees off that, and that's what it feels like, but it's not terrible. A lot better than what we did have. If anybody watches the news, you probably saw Texas got hit with a hellacious cold front that came through, I guess along with the majority of the nation, and we're just not set up for it down here. Everybody's pipes freeze up, and people have issues and stuff like that at their homes, and then of course the people that live here, that we aren't equipped for it anyways. I'm surprised there's this much traffic out on a Saturday. We'll see if we can't maneuver our way through here. Benefits of being on a bike. Yeah, I guess it's flowing pretty decently through here. Getting slowed down like this ain't all bad. Gives me a chance to chat with you guys a little bit more without all the wind and the buffering noises and stuff like that I'm sure come across on the microphone. I got my AirPods in my helmet running a navigation system to get me to the destination here, and I guess they're rerouting us. Man, I need that sun to get back out from behind the clouds. Keep me warm. When I was driving around earlier today, there was all kinds of bikes out. I guess everybody was out getting their rides in earlier when the sun was up tall in the sky. I'm the only dummy that waited till the late hours of the afternoon. You know, as I'm sitting here kind of looking up at these clouds, I'm starting to realize that I did not check the weather before I decided it was going to be a good idea for me to hop on the bike. Hopefully we don't have another rain incident, because that was not a good time, as you guys saw. If you haven't seen that video, hop on the channel and look for the well, I mean, it's the only video that has any sort of rain in it, but I think it was called "Is This a Superbike's Worst Nightmare?" or something like that. Anyways, it's a good one. You get to watch me suffer through a rainstorm. On the MV. Probably the only MV that's ever been ridden out in the rain like that. Hell, most people just keep these in the garage and stare at them. Hence the reason why motorcycle art. There you go. Give you guys a few revs. Gotta love that SC Project exhaust system. Paired up with the Terminioni headers, match made in heaven. Just feathering that clutch and throttle up the hill. Professional rider here. Get these mirrors adjusted a little bit. You know what I think I'm gonna do? Because I'm just kind of BSing right now, you know, filming this ride over here to the dealership. I think on the way back I'll film a video and I'll talk about the Rizoma stealth mirrors a little bit, because that's something that everybody always asks me about. We'll see if we can do that for you. Alright, I gotta get the hell away from all these people. Here we go. I think most motorcyclists would agree, way more dangerous to be going slow in traffic than it is to be going a little faster than traffic. Here's the pogo stick part of the road coming up. Yep, right here. Just bounces it. Oh, 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 oh. This guy coming over? Nope. Our exit is coming up though. I think this was a kind of a jicky route that they took me on, but that's fine. Not sure how much time Waze really saved me. Let me take a minute here to adjust this glove. My wrist is freezing. Don't have my sleeves inside my cuffs here. These gloves are the short gloves. They're designed to actually go inside of the race jackets that Dainese sells, but I think it's called the Steel Pro. Pretty cool though. My favorite gloves that I ever had were those Druid 4s by Dainese. They had the carbon fiber inserts instead of the metal like these. And I had the Pista version, which is discontinued. That was the red, blue, and white. Those things were sick. And I still have them, but that rainstorm video that I told you about when I got caught in the rain, they got absolutely soaked. I mean, every couple minutes I was dumping water out. I was lifting my hand up like this, dumping water out of my gloves. And once they dried up, I left them out in the sun to dry. So once they dried up, they shrunk up a little bit on me and just never fit the same. So I went out and got these. Oh no, those were Druid 3s actually is what they were. The Druid 4s are the new ones, and they don't have any good colorways. Otherwise I would have bought them. Hell, at this point you guys are just getting a little tour all over the Big D. The great city of Dallas. Yeah, this thing has us kind of coming in like a back route, back way. Waze is cool because it, you know, tries to give you the fastest, most efficient route to get to somewhere. But sometimes it's got some interesting sometimes they take you on some interesting pathways. Sorry, shifted into neutral there on accident. Got lazy with my foot. Yeah, backside, see? Lexus. This must be motorcycle parking. I'll take it. Well, let's go make the official drop of the secured documents. Here, if anybody wants to get a quick look at the bike, there you go. And look out for the next video, which will probably just pick up right here where we left off. And I'll kind of give you guys my thoughts and stuff on the Rizoma Stealth Mirrors. If you guys enjoyed this one though, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.